morning, respected Principal Sister Prashanda, my dear teachers and my dear friends. As we all know, we are celebrating World Environment Day. The theme for World Environment Day 2021 is ecosystem restoration. Environment is no one's property to destroy. It's everyone's responsibility to protect it. The good or bad quality of our life is depending on the natural quality of our environment. Our need for food, water, shelter and other things depend on the environment. The definition for environment by the Cambridge English Dictionary is the air, water or land in or on which animals, plants and people live. It is the duty of human beings to protect the environment. It is important for the growth of life on the earth. We can save environment by planting trees, reducing pollution, recycling, reusing and creating awareness. As I said before, the theme for World Environment Day 2021 is ecosystem restoration, and we'll see the launch of the UN Decade on Ecosystem Restoration. Ecosystem restoration means assisting in the recovery of ecosystems that have been degraded or destroyed, as well as in the conservation of ecosystems that are still intact. All kinds of ecosystems can be restored. Ecosystem restoration can take any forms: greening cities, planting trees, rewilding gardens, changing diets and cleaning up cities and rivers and coasters. Every year's World Environment Day is hosted by different countries in which official celebrations take place, and this year's host is Pakistan. The government of Pakistan plans to expand the country's forest by a 10 billion tree tsunami, and so I'm concluding my words by saying join hands to save environment. Thank you. Next, I invite our dear Principal Sister Prashanda to inaugurate the function.
ഒരു തൈ നടാം നമുക്കമ്മയ്ക്കു വേണ്ടി, ഒരു തൈ നടാം കൊച്ചുമക്കൾക്ക് വേണ്ടി, ഒരു തൈ നടാം 100 കിളികൾക്കു.
Morning to the excellences, to my respected teachers and my dear friends. I would like to speak a few words on environment of Kerala. This topic have high importance in these days. Our environment consists of natural resources like soil, water, air, etc. Plants and animals are also the parts of our environment. 2018 remains a dark chapter in the history of Kerala. The floods have been termed as a natural calamity since many human lives were lost. It was the worst flooding in Kerala in nearly a century. To keep us clean and safe, we must realize our mistakes and concern about the environment. Various types of environmental pollution such as water pollution, air pollution, noise pollution, soil pollution, etc. are causing the ecosystem and destroying the balance. Time has come that we take necessary steps to save our environment. We need to find environment-friendly technologies in all aspects of our lives. Vehicles can be reduced to avoid air pollution. Plastic and paper should be strictly recycled so that garbage dumps can be reduced. We need to plant more and more trees. Let us all pledge to save our environment and keep it clean and healthy. With this, I conclude my speech. Thank you. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ചിന്തിക്കാൻ പറ്റുമോ? ഇല്ല. കാരണം ഞാനാണ് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഓക്സിജൻ തരുന്നത്. ഞാനാണ് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് പഴങ്ങളും പൂക്കളും മണ്ണുകളും തണലും ഒക്കെ തരുന്നത്. എന്നിട്ടും നിങ്ങൾ എന്നെ വെട്ടി നശിപ്പിക്കല്ലേ? എന്നെ സംരക്ഷിക്കണം. Save trees, plant more trees. Thank you.
फूलों ने जाके बूंदों से पूछा, बूंदों ने जाके मिट्टी से पूछा। फूलों ने जाके बूंदों से पूछा, बूंदों ने जाके मिट्टी से पूछा। हम कहाँ रहेंगे, हम कैसे खिलेंगे, हम कहाँ रहेंगे, हम कैसे खिलेंगे, हम कैसे जिएंगे। फूलों ने जाके बूंदों से पूछा, बूंदों ने जाके मिट्टी से पूछा। हम है तो तुम हो तो हम, इंसान हो तुम, प्रकृति हम। हमें जीने दो, हमें जलने दो, हमें पानी दो, हमें रंगने दो। हमें जीने दो, हमें खिलने दो, हमें पानी दो, हमें रंगने दो। दुनिया हमारी रंगों से भर दो, खुशियाँ हमारी हरियाली कर दो। हम यहीं रहेंगे, हम यहीं मिलेंगे, हम यहीं रहेंगे, हम यहीं मिलेंगे, हम यहीं जिएंगे।
Wasting time is useless. Cleaning the environment is the best. Respected Principal Sister Prashanda, Manager Sister Jasmine, all my loving teachers and dearest Josephites, a fine morning to you all. As we are celebrating World Environment Day today, it's our duty to encourage awareness and environmental protection. The theme for World Environment Day 2021 is ecosystem restoration. On this very special day, let me express my heartful gratitude to our principal, Sister Prashanda, for providing a virtual platform for celebrating this very special day. Thank you, sister. Teachers are the building blocks of our institution. Thank you, teachers, for your constant support and encouragement for this venture. A special word of thanks to all my dearest Josephites for as you work hand in hand for making this event a magnanimous one. Let us all respect nature by growing trees, greening plants, and rebuilding gardens. This is the generation that can make peace with nature. Let me conclude my words. Thank you very much.